right, coffee check, packages check. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to try to not edit as much as possible, therefore keeping it as short as possible. Hello, happy 2021. I do have to say that right off the bat. I am just gonna, kind of chit chat and tell you guys what's been going on, what's been happening the past couple weeks, and I have my December Ipsy and my December Pandora's box to show you guys. I'll tell you why in a minute, why I didn't get around to unboxing them like I normally do. So I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee and we're gonna get started. So the hubster got me a Keurig for Christmas, and yes, as you guys can see, I have very minimal makeup on, and the way that it looks makes my cheeks look like 10 times more puffy than what they actually are. I'm gonna go ahead and open my Pandora's box first from December. But anyways, the hubster got me a Keurig for Christmas, and I have been using it non-stop. So yeah, loving that, saving me a butt ton of money. Let me get this right. There we go. Yeah, I'm just testing out some new face products, a concealer, and one eyeshadow out of an eyeshadow palette, and a mascara. I already know I don't like the mascara. But I tried the concealer as more of like a spot conceal and put down some foundation powder. So this is the December edition of Pandora's box. The theme was Release the Kraken. That's what it was. Reason why I didn't get to unbox this in December is because it showed up super late. We all know Postal Service, UPS, FedEx, they're always busy around the holidays, but this year it just took it to a whole other level, with COVID and everything going on. So it got here super late. Plus I also took 2 weeks off. I took the last 2 weeks of December off. It wasn't going to be planned that way, but it actually happened that way, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But the first thing I got is this cool bag from BFTE Cosmetics. That is awesome. I really do like that. If you want to know more about Pandora's box, there are plenty of videos on them down in the playlist under unboxing series. I can't wait to use that when I go traveling. But the reason why I took the last 2 weeks off is because, one, I turned 38 on the 23rd of December. Woo woo! Happy birthday to me. Happy late birthday to me. And then of course Christmas was just around the corner, but as a special happy birthday present, I had my P&H treatment on my birthday. So that wasn't fun. You guys know that normally just takes a whole lot of me out. Okay, first thing I'm seeing is this beautiful ring. This is really pretty. That is like super duper pretty. I don't know who it's from. I don't have any of the information up. I'm sorry guys, I'm just going through this and talking to you guys. Let's see, from Dandelions, there are, get it open. Looks like it's 2 pressed eyeshadows. Yes, 2 pressed eyeshadows. One is the Kraken's Wrath, which is this pretty green, this pretty matte green. And the second one is Enchanted Waters, which looks like a frosty blue. Super, super pretty. And she gave us little eyeshadow cases to put those in. That's really pretty. I like that. I lost my train of thought. Of course, with Christmas coming around the corner 2 days after, I didn't want to post anything because I wanted everybody to have a nice holiday with their families if they did celebrate it. And I know you're probably like, well, Melissa, why didn't you pre-film? I thought about it, but then life got in the way. So that's that. Next item from the Pandora's box is stuck in the bag. And it is a whipped sugar scrub from Augusta Rose Designs in the scent Kraken. Ooh, that smells really good. It's got like a nice fruity smell to it. I'm sorry, I'm just flying through these. Normally I give like all the information on it. I promise I will come back to that when the January bag gets to me. From Shade Beauty, we have a loose pigment in the shade Release the Kraken, and it is like a dark blue with some little sparkles in it. That is super pretty. From Fair Beauty Cosmetics, we have a loose pigment, or it might be a glitter. Let me check. Okay, it's a loose pigment in the shade Mystic Seas. It is like this dark bluish green color. Not more teal, but more of like a dark blue. And it has sparkles in it, as you guys can see it. From Saranda's Enchantments, we have a body oil spray in the scent Release the Kraken. That's really nice. Come on, stop focusing on my face. That's really nice. I love the body oil sprays. You guys know those are an absolute fave of mine. From Sparkly's Glitter and Gloss, looks like we have a lip gloss in the shade, I don't know. Maybe it's written on the card. Nope. But it is a very pretty purple shade. Super pretty. And last, we have a nail polish from Psyche Minerals in the shade Look Out Below. And that looks really pretty. Camera's not focusing on my... There we go. There's that shift. So, so pretty. That was my Pandora's box for December. Pandora's box retails for $25 plus $5 for shipping, so it comes up to $30. I will post all the information on where you can purchase down in the description box, so you guys have that. More coffee time. All right, got my coffee. Now let's get into my Ipsy. This is my Ipsy glam bag, my regular bag. We got a couple outside items. All right. I do believe this is the, my hair is shedding so bad. Y'all, it's bad. Please don't come for my hair. I am in the process of getting my appointment done so I can get this taken care of. I'm to the point where I just want to shave my head. So yeah, this is the ABH Liquid Lipstick and Poets, and I'm pretty sure this is the product I picked for the month. Either it was an add-on. I do know I got a couple add-ons for December. This is the bag. It is super cute. It is super fuzzy. I know my nieces will love this. They are into these kinds of bags. So here's the card. I also got the First Aid Beauty 5-in-1 Bouncy Mask. Because you guys know I love me some First Aid Beauty. I also got a brush from, I was looking on how to say this. I think it's Bo Gashi, I guess. It's Italian, I think. I did see that these bristles are synthetic and they are cruelty free. I do believe they said that it was vegan as well. I'm not sure. All right, next item I got is from Sunday Riley, and it is their A+ high dose retinoid Melissa retinoid serum. And then I got the Sela Creme Violet Soothing Hand and Body Butter with lavender and oatmeal. That actually sounds really nice. And last, I have the Complex Culture executive level mascara. I'm pretty sure I have enough product, let's hold that right, to do a full face of this brand. So let me know if you guys want me to do that. Alrighty, and that is my regular Ipsy bag. Before I get into my Ipsy Glam Plus bag, I do want to talk about some changes I would like to do for my channel. I hate wearing gloss sometimes because it just gets everywhere on me. I'll be right back. All right, that's better. I had to fix the lip situation and the hair situation, so yeah, told you this is a flyby video. But before I get into my Ipsy Plus, I do want to talk about where this channel is going. There are so many ideas I have in my head, and the problem I have is with executing them. Reason being is because I'm afraid that you guys aren't going to like them, or it's not going to come out the way that I want it. I'm still going to do makeup reviews. I do want to start doing like mini tutorials, just like quick, you know, 5-minute tutorials once a week. So that's going to up me up to 3 times a week. I was thinking about posting 5 days a week, but then I don't want you guys to get tired of me, and I don't want you to get bored of me. As much as I love how small our family is and how tight-knit, I do want to reach out, you know, to more people, because there aren't a lot of influencers out there that are like me. Well, influencers that are like me that, you know, are plus size, that are reaching their 40s, and that are fighting a chronic illness and mental illness as well. So that's what my goal has always been. It's never been to be this big success and whatnot. I always wanted it to be like you guys were in my home and we were hanging out, trying out makeup and all that stuff, just talking about makeup, about beauty, about the beauty community, about this, that, the other. I definitely won't post on Mondays. You guys know I hate Mondays. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or I might do the Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. I'm not sure. Or I might do Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. I think I'm going to do Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. Sunday will be that video. Sundays will be my tutorial days, where I'll do mini tutorials, or I'll recreate a smaller influencer's look, you know, things of that nature. And then Tuesdays and Fridays will be my reviews, unboxings, this and that. If I, you know, come up with any other idea as like a special video, I'll post it out there. Let's go ahead and get into this Ipsy Plus bag that is busting at the seams. I will post the prices above me. The first thing I got, I know I picked this, and it is the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this is the Golden Sands edition. I have the Pink Sands edition. Now I got the Golden Sands edition. That's awesome. Next thing is from Complex Culture. I told you, I think I have enough to do a full face. It is the Set Go Translucent Powder. Yeah, translucent. It's in the name. I'm looking for a shade. Awesome. Oh, another thing that happened over the holiday is the hubster got really sick. So that was another reason why I took so much time off, is because I had to take care of my hubster. You know, he takes care of me on the regular. Anytime I'm having a bad day, anytime I'm not feeling well, anytime my PNH flares up, anytime, you know, I'm just not my normal self, my hubster takes care of me to the fullest. So I had to do my job as a wife and take care of him, make sure he was okay. Because it's very rare he gets sick. So when he gets sick, he gets sick. So yeah, I think his body was, his immune system was just like, bruh, you're working too much. I'm shutting down for a week or so. And that's what it did. So, but he's getting there. He's getting better. Trying to cut down his smoking. I know he'll probably never quit, but if I could get him to cut down a little bit, I think I'd be on the right path. All right, the next item I got is from Porcelain, and it is the matcha green tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I'm probably going to pass this along or put this in the giveaway. That's another thing that I have planned for January. I do have giveaways planned for this month. I'm going through all the stuff that I have right now and deciding what it is that I want to give, what products and what giveaway I want to do. I'm thinking I want to do 3 this month, maybe 2, and then go into February with 1. Who knows? But that is another thing that I want to do this month, because you guys have been so patient with me in 2020, and we made it through 2020. You know, I did want to talk about how bad it was, but we all know what happened in 2020. I don't need anybody, we don't need anybody to rehash it. So yeah, moving on. Next item is from Complex Culture again, and it is the Full Out Brow Gel, Tinted Volumizing Brow Gel. Excuse me. And this is in the shade Warm Blonde. I really hope this is going to work for me. I do believe one of these was an add-on, if I'm not mistaken. No, maybe not. And the last item I have is from IBY Beauty, and it is the Fireside Eyeshadow Palette. Let me go ahead and open this up because I forgot what it looked like. Even though the shades are on the back, but you know, sometimes the pictures are deceiving when it comes to looking at a palette. You actually got to look at the palette. Oh. These are a lot smaller than what I thought. The pan sizes are a lot smaller than what I thought it was going to be. I thought the pan sizes were going to be bigger than this. That's all that I have for you guys today. I'm sorry that it's not my regular video where I go through in depth of everything. I just wanted to let you guys know what has been going on, where I've been, moving forward, and showing you guys all this stuff that I got in December with my subscription services. Like I said, January will resume the regular show where I do my Ipsy and then my Pandora's box on separate days, and then I go through all of the stuff and all the prices and everything. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know the deal. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking out with me, hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.